What's going on, buddy?
What's up, brother?
Good to see you once again.
See you.
You look like a superhero, actually. You just need to get a cape,
Thanks.
a GSD. You know,
Well, we have a superhero.
Oh, we do have.
Yeah,
He's watching us.
He's making sure.
He's ready.
He's making sure we're doing it right.
I like that stance, though. What do you think? What do you think?
That's what I'm saying. There it is. It looks good.
Go work out. I was in my ego lifting days, so I go to the gym, and all these girls looking this and that, and I just grabbed some 50-pound dumbbells, and I didn't warm up.
Just
as soon as I went up, I put it right back down. 1 year it took to recover this bicep. Bad. So it's very important to warm up.
You can't do it. You can't do it. The first one I do is I call a frog squat or a frog hop.
Mm-hmm.
I throw a little bit of a cobra into it,
mm-hmm.
and then I just pop up, but like a frog.
Right.
So my hands are still kind of down, like I'm hopping, and then I go back into this, and it just wakes up the spine.
That looks good. Just
and the hips, and I try to stay nice and low here. Pick up your inside arm. And then just let your elbow dip towards your toe, and then rotate and reach for the sky so your arms are in a straight line. Eyes are on the fingers.
I feel that.
And then elbow back towards toe. Elbow towards toe. Open up. Reach for the sky. That's 2.
What I don't like is when the sweat starts coming down and starts stinging my eyes.
You should wear a sweatband. You want one? I got one. A sweatband?
I think I'll pass this time.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think it's a Criticalbench.
Right.
I think it might be a Criticalbench sweatband.
I'll be like Richard Simmons. Come on, guys.
Man. And go for more reps.
There goes the sweat stinging my eyes.
Yeah. Just like you wanted.
Yeah,
you said that's what I. You said it's a good workout when the sweat starts stinging my eyes.
It's burning my eyes.
You want to go first or second? So which kettlebell you want?
I want the lightest one.
So okay, go there. Okay. They're fine. 35, 53, 70.
And just so you know, it's no shame.
There's no shame.
As far as the weight, there's no ego here. This is perfect.
This is the kettlebell for Ace. So you just
put my earring.
Hold it like this.
Wait. No, let me do it. I want you to. How's my form? Is it good?
Like that.
Shoulder width apart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now go.
All right.
Down. Yeah, pinkies up. Here you go. He's trembling. All right. Here, let me spot you. Ready? Up. Good. Well done.
Woo. I'm done for the day.
All right, that's yours.
Okay. Mine?
Come on.
All right, boom.
We're going to do a pause squat.
Okay.
So just come down, hold it, try to get the elbows kind of inside the knees a little bit.
All right.
And then up. So it's like a 3-second hold.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1. We'll do 10. 3, 2, 1. 3. 4. Up. 5. Up. What was funny will become reality.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
We're all like, haha, red.
It's funny.
And we're going to be crying. I want the red one. Other hand's just kind of at your side.
Time. I want heavier than this.
Okay, see, it's a little light. So no,
go, I mean, you want to go to what you're comfortable with.
Grab a 30 or a 35.
No, I'm gonna try 50.
You're going 50 out of the gate?
I'm gonna go 50.
Where's that?
I was warming up earlier.
You sure?
I'm positive.
I don't want to. That's the weight, 50.
I got you. I can do it. He's watching.
We got to learn from our past mistakes.
He's watching.
All right.
I warmed up. I was warming up.
If you're warm, I trust you. Come on. All right. So, okay, we got the knees a little, right? Soft knee. 10. 3. 4. Good.
You know, breathing is very important.
Oh, it's huge, dude.
Very important. I was training a couple guys before that. I kept telling them, you gotta breathe. You gotta breathe right.
Yep.
And like, they ignored it. Dude almost passed out because he wasn't breathing right.
We've all seen it. I've seen people make a lot of dumb mistakes. They don't hydrate.
Speaking of hydrate.
You need water?
We're gonna need some water.
Hey, I'm gonna go orange.
Okay,
so
I'm following. You're the leader.
No. I'm going orange. You go blue.
I want to be different, like you.
Okay.
Well, I got orange here, so I guess. No, see, I got orange. There you go.
You're orange.
You see, and you got blue.
Oh my gosh, it's like my kids. I want the red one.
You know? I want what's cool.
I just want, so now I got the blue cup. I can't get confused. It happens all the
orange,
time.
Mighty orange.
It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. It does match your shirt exactly, though, by the way.
Hold on,
Look at that. Look at that. You're Batman. You're Batman.
Right. No, I gotta get the look, though.
Yeah, that's the look. Oh, gosh. Now, that's the kettlebell you used last time?
No, I'm feeling strong.
Okay,
my
so
orange.
go up. Now you got green. Green kettlebell.
Is there an orange one?
No, there's not an
All right,
orange. We don't.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, we don't coordinate.
I'm just saying. It would be nice if it was
Wardrobe
orange.
with
I
the
do got
weights.
the orange. You know?
Is this romper room? Up, 7. Up, 8. Up.
Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Up nice and slow. Boom.
You're an asshole.
No, I'm not.
All right, so I usually put my toe so it's kind of right under my hand.
1, 2. Good form, man. 3, 4, 5. That's good, man. 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! Damn, I feel that rock.
Whew, I even feel my butt holding my position. That's why I like these, though, because you got to use your whole body.
More than one muscle.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
There it is. One more. Nice, bro. Good, right?
Yes, sir.
I love that exercise.
Yeah.
It's a great exercise. The key to, for me on this one is try to keep the lower body as straight as possible, right? So you're on your heels and really trying to get the chest to the bar.
Gotcha.
Which can be really hard because there's a lot of range of motion.
2, 3, 4. Well, here's the thing, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
I don't want to dirty
Tell me the
my
truth.
white sneakers, so I'm gonna have to put on some kind of cushion because I don't want to.
Those are your wife's sneakers?
My white sneakers. I don't want to get the
white. I thought you
whites.
said your wife's sneakers.
They are my wife's, so I had to steal it from her. We got the same shoe size.
She got big feet, your wife.
You know what they say about women with big feet?
I heard that.
I don't know. What
God
they
bless
say.
her.
All right.
Hey, that's okay. Listen. What the heck are we talking about? Hey, do what you got to do. All
right.
Come on, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, here. You want the yellows? Because they match your shirt better.
I want the reds right now, actually.
You want reds?
Yes. No, I'll take the yellows.
Why don't you go yellow to start and see how you feel?
Okay, fine.
Right. Push out the butt. Push it out. Stretch those hammies.
Oh, I feel. And then once they become a believer.
Believer?
Once they become
a Justin Belieber?
A believer.
No, I knew what you said. I was just being silly. Okay. All right, here we go.
Stop playing. Work out. Yes.
All right, we got 5s.
1, 2, 9. Yes, sir. Woo, that was a good pause. 10. Yes, sir. Hold it, yeah. Let it out nice and slow, yeah. Woo. Boom.
All right, hey, it's nice and sweaty for you.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
I hope those sneakers stay white.
I want to. Oh!
Ooh,
I'm going to send you the clean bill.
I should have wiped it down for you.
I know, right? Look, I see all these things now, man. I can be a diva when it comes to this kind of stuff, you know? It's dirty. All right. Especially when I got my white sneakers on.
I know it.
She's going to be pissed.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting.
We'll do the ropes back and forth. We'll go head-to-head mountain climber for 100 reps. 100. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen.
100.
You can do it.
100 reps.
Come on.
Stop playing.
Gently.
Do it now.
Get down to the chopper.
1, 2.
It always sounds like maybe a leg's getting sawed off or something, right? Like that's.
It sounds like he's got like a bad hemorrhoid.
Yeah,
that he's trying to
that
pass.
could be too. Right. Dad's in the bathroom.
That's Dad again.
That's Dad.
Got to get that suppository.
Quesadillas. All right, here we go. All right. So you're going 80 over there.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Go.
Woo! Looking good.
You too, brother.
No, you're looking good.
I hurt my hand if I.
I know. I got to check mine now. It's going to be ace critical bench.
He's like a piece of iron.
Yeah. Ow! Ow!
All right. Come on, Ace. Come on, Ace.
I'm not doing 100 though. Sorry. Nope. You're not going to peer pressure me, buddy. No.
Just one more.
No. I'll do one more.
Just
But
final set.
I can't. I'm sorry. I'm practicing what I preach. I'm listening to my body. Today is not a good day for me. I'm sorry. I'm not blah, 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 blah. I'm not listening to that. I'm listening to my body. You're not a...
Wait. Let me listen.
Get off me.
I was going to listen to your body.
Okay.
All right. Do you need a sip of agua?
Listen, I'm sorry. To be honest with you,
What
I had to
happened?
bring my cape today. I left it, and I got my wife's sneakers on.
Here,
so-
let's... Unbelievable.
Oh,
Come on, buddy.
Don't do that, man. Oh, man.
Yes. He's watching. He's watching.
I don't care how big you are. I know how to pick up a phone and call 911.
He's got the... Well, Alfred has the red phone. The red phone calls the Bat Cave.
But I like the punches. Down.
Yeah,
Bow.
it was great.
Smack.
Every
down.
time. Ready?
Let's go.
100. Let's get in a position now.
All right.
Head to head. Head to head. Come on, get your head up here.
All right.
Don't be ducking
right.
me. Don't be
All right.
ducking me. All right, are we ready? Toes on. Toes on. Push-up position in 3, 2, go.
I am depleted. I'm going to take a break, and I'm going to give you 2 more. Mario Brothers. Stop trying to show off, man. I'm out. Listen to your body. If you're tired, you're tired. It's good to push yourself, hands down. There's no question about that. In all seriousness, push yourself. But if you're feeling like how I'm feeling right now, and I'm not a wimp. Just let go. It's always tomorrow. You gotta rest. And I haven't rest.
Hey, bro. Good job. That was a good effort.
Oh my God, man, this was great.
Good effort.